What's up, everybody? And today marks video 3 for the Turbo Miata build, and I'm so ecstatic about today because, well, we might start the thing and drive it under its own power. If you haven't watched video 1 and 2, stop what you're doing, stop watching this video, pause it, go back, watch videos 1 and 2 because those will lead up to, video 3. And why wouldn't you want to watch those if you're here now? But we're about to go ahead and hop into today's video because we have to finish with the intercooler piping, we have to finish the vacuum lines, we have to put the exhaust on, and then we can probably start the car and drive it under its own power. But let me show y'all what y'all missed in the time that I did not record because this was a hassle. All right, so y'all probably can't, well, you can see a little bit, but this pipe right here was not there. This was actually a pain to get to fit because of how close it was to the actual body of the car. And man, that was a pain. But with me running the piping like this, I guess that's how they ran it, the previous owner, it comes out right under here. But I would have liked to run it up so it wouldn't have been a pain and come out through here like I did the other side. Well, I have to do the other side. That's why I have it like this, because once I take that off and slightly turn it, I'm gonna have to cut a hole through the body of the car and it's gonna come out right here and go along to the intercooler. So I need to go ahead and get started with that. Just cut this hole, run this pipe through there, and finish buttoning up the intercooler piping, and then I'll be able to put my custom brackets. I'm gonna replace these screws. If they're long enough, then I'm gonna use these, but the brackets are gonna go right here, drop down, and they're gonna connect to the top of the intercooler. Bruh, I'm finally to the point where I've been trying to be for so long now. And look at the car. There it is. But as you can see, the intercooler is kind of funky. But this is just for function. It's not actually to make it look pretty right now. I just want to get it good enough to where I can drive it. But as you can see, I have the intercooler piping run through here. Had to cut the hole down here. Connected it right here. It's kind of funky, like I said, but have it hanging up by zip ties with my little made brackets that I have, like I said, put right here on the hood clamp or hood latch, and then it runs this way. I'm gonna end up taking this off, but there it runs too, and it's pretty tight. It's a tight fit in there, and it comes out up here. But I didn't put my filter on because I don't have another clamp, like what is this? Not a C clamp, but forgot the name of it. But I don't have another one of those, so I didn't put the filter on. It should be good to run like this, but I have my intercooler piping 100% done now. And so I did my vacuum lines off camera. Here's the one for the blow-off valve. I have it run to right here. And I actually removed the factory MAF hose or whatever, which was right here. It runs this way, and this is the MAP sensor. Well, MAP sensor, I believe. So I removed the MAP sensor vacuum line to run it all the way to the ECU over there. And the other vacuum line, I just tapped into the brake booster, which is right here. Runs to the brake booster. Tapped into that for the wastegate. And so now all I have to do really is get the exhaust on there, start it up, and hopefully, fingers crossed, take it for a drive.